Oh no. Oh God.
Do not. Oh no. Get away. Get.
No uppy, forget it. Just do me a favor. Don't go like this on Baba's neck. Don't go like.
You have boogers up there.
Don't like your boogers on Baba. Don't like your boogers on Baba.
I've been boogerized.
Disgusting, Max.
Ew, wiping your boogers. Are you trying to tickle Baba now?
Do not put your head down any place. No, hold it. Hey, get up. Get up. Wake up.
You
woke
waking up?
Wake up. What if you say, wake up, Charlie?
Don't wipe your boogers. Don't wipe your boogers.
Don't wipe them on her.
That's me.
Get up. Get him with the booger.
Maggie, everybody woke up.
No!
Everybody woke up.
Now.
Did you wake up?
Yeah!
Did Rihanna wake up?
Yeah!
Oh, cool.
What do you want?
What is what did I do? Max.
Patsy in your bed. That's what they should say. Right? You want to see Patsy? They're in your
Maxie,
bed.
I think Stella's sad again.
Oh, look at Stella's
Come on,
kid.
Stella's sad again. No, I think she's sad. I think she needs a kiss.
Nap? You think she needs a nap? You think so? Okay, tell her good night and give her a kiss.
Say good night.
You want the rest of this time?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Happy. Because you gave her a kiss.
Happy.
Hi, Stella girl.
Oh, you know what she wants you to do? Remember I showed you?
A rubber belly.
Yeah. No, of course she wants to, but she wants her belly rubbed. You rub her belly? Wake up.
Oh, your grandchildren.
She doesn't move now. She's sleeping.
Oh, actually, it's not. Naturally does.
Where'd she go?
Happy safe.
Hi, Stella. Come here, Stella.
Look at the rain.